How to create account on Lichess. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create account on Lichess. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Lichess account. And then once you're in your Lichess app, here you have to tap on the three lines in the top left corner here. Then here tap on sign in. Then here in the left side you will see the register. Tap on it. Enter here username, email, password and tap on register. So let me fill in my details. Now check your email. So open your email. Then refresh your email. Then you will get an email like this from Lichess. Open the email. Then here tap on this link. And wait for a few seconds. So now your account is created and verified. Tap on the three lines in the top left corner, tap on sign in, enter your username and password and sign in, and you will be signed in. So this is how you can create account on Lichess. Thanks for watching.